What you guys are doing out here is a misdemeanor, and you're not allowed to be out here. You understand that? So today, we're not going to end up taking all of you to jail, but we are towing your vehicles. All right, today is what, Saturday? So you will not be able to get it out till tomorrow. Now listen, we have footage, all right? You guys came to the wrong place. They have footage all over these buildings of you guys all coming in here. There's signs posted everywhere that you cannot be in here either. You guys are gonna see the officers, they're gonna put a paper on your vehicle. That's the inventory for your car, and it's gonna tell you where your vehicle's at. None of you are under arrest, none of you are being detained right now. If you wanna leave, you're more than welcome to. The registered owner of the vehicle will get a letter in the mail telling them where the car is at. If you wanna leave, you're more than welcome to. Does everybody understand that? If you have stuff in the vehicle that is important to you, that you wanna take home with you, if you're cool with us, we'll let you take it out when you leave. You understand? That paper will have the phone number and the address of the tow yard that it's going to. Does everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions for me, I will talk to you after I go over there and make sure that all my officers are safe. You guys got that? Now listen, I told you you wouldn't be going to jail, but we do this every weekend, guys. If when we run your vehicle, you've been cited out here with us, you are gonna end up going to jail today. You understand that? Don't come in LA, guys. Don't come out here. We do this all the time. I'm sure some of you know. You've seen us blocking cars. We do it all the time. Any questions? And listen, I would rather you guys call your parents or whoever and tell them, hey, I got towed, than me having to call and telling them you got hit by a car, because it happens. You guys know it does. I'm a parent, so I'm okay towing your guys' car instead of having to call your parents telling them that you guys got hit by one of these guys doing these shows.
How much is it to get the car out?
I have no idea. So the highway patrol has nothing to do with the tow companies. That's the tow companies. You don't even need to come to our office to get a release. But you guys are lucky, because if PD was towing you guys, you'd have to go to their office, pay a fine, and then go to the tow yard and pay another fine.
Yeah.
Highway patrol, you don't have to do that. You don't even have to come to our office. You can go straight to the tow yard on Monday when they open up during business hours and get your car out. The tow companies usually have cards with them, so you can get a card right from them. And some of them do what's called a weekend fee. So if you need your car back, you can be like, hey man, I have to have my car for work. You guys can figure that out with them and get a tow fee from them. Are there any questions for me?
But you're not even from here.
What does that have to do with anything?
I decided that.
Are you asking me like how are you gonna get home?
No. My other question is, how come your officer approached me hella stupid and grabbed my keys and shit without permission?
I have no idea.
That's my
Wait,
question.
he needs permission to talk to you when you're breaking the law?
How am I
Thank
breaking?
you. Anybody else has some intelligent questions for me?
What tow yard?
Are you guys gonna check our inventory in our car? I'm
Yes.
gonna tell
So
you
hey,
what's in
listen.
there, 'cause
Yeah,
what
we
happens if
take
you miss
pictures.
something?
Listen, we take pictures of all your cars to make sure there's no damage. That way, if the tow company goes, hey man, that was already damaged, if it's not written, they're responsible for it. You guys
Yeah.
understand?
Well,
Now listen, if you want to take pictures of your car all the way around, you're more than welcome to do that also. But not until that officer holds up that paper. You guys all been to car wash, right? They wave that towel. When that officer holds it up, that's the only time you go over there. Don't go by your cars while they're doing that, guys, because they're not paying attention. I don't need you by there. I'm really serious about that. If you go over there, I'm gonna place you under arrest. Just stay here till they're done. Yes.
I'm talking about like inside our car, like the stuff we have in there. Like, are you gonna write everything down, or we have to
Stuff
tell
that you wanted. That's why remember I said if you're cool, I'll let you take stuff that you want. If
Yeah, but what
not,
happens if you can't like just take it?
yeah,
'Cause
they'll
it's
write
like-
it down
All
and
right,
tell them, hey man, I really need you to, and check that paper. Tell them, hey,
Okay.
all right, everything's written down. I'm telling you guys, we'll be completely cool with you guys if you guys are all right with us.
What tow yard is it going to?
So I don't know yet, young lady. There's gonna be several tows. When they come, they hold that paper up. It'll have the phone number and address. Cool? And your house keys, right? A lot of you have different keys. We'll only keep the car key. You guys get all the house keys back. Any questions?
Can we get the cards tomorrow and tell you more?
All right.
Yeah, talk to the tow yard.
Listen here, man. That's what the tow yard. Sometimes they call. It's called a weekend fee sometimes, and not all of them do it. I'm not promising you that they will, but some of them do that. But it might be an extra fee. Anybody else? All right, guys, just stand by. We'll try to do this as fast as we can and get you out of here. You look familiar, young man. Have we talked before? Never?
Hell no.
All right.
I'm never gonna
Stay over here, guys. Well, you know what? I'll
Being that guy, huh?
Yeah, that's fine. You guys
It's
can
not
go
my
over
fault they're
there.
not fast enough to catch me.
Like I said, you guys can leave if you want. You don't have to stay.
Man, fuck
I got stuck in some fucking dumbass people just throwing me out.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling the officer, hold this thing up. I don't want.
Hey,